In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Keep Notes. If you're a fan of Google Keep, like many of us, you may have encountered the desire to import notes directly into the app. However, as of now, it isn't possible to directly import notes into Google Keep through the platform itself. But don't worry, while it takes a little manual effort, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Google browser and head over to Google Keep. You can easily find it by clicking on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid or waffle on the top right corner of your browser window. Once you click that, you should see a list of various Google services. Scroll through those options until you spot the Keep icon, which resembles a light bulb. Click on it and this will bring you to the Google Keep homepage. For those hoping for a seamless importing option, it can be disheartening to know that the integration isn't available natively yet. But there's an easy workaround to this, and that involves manually transferring the notes you need to import into Google Keep. Now, when I say manual transfer, what it primarily involves is a bit of copying and pasting. Here's how you can go about it. Start by creating a new note in Google Keep by selecting the Create Note option. This can be found at the top of the Keep homepage. It's represented by a plus sign. Once you've created a note, you can copy the text from wherever you're exporting it from, be it another app or document, and paste it directly into this new note in Google Keep. When you're copying, ensure that you've selected all the text you want to include. Then in your Google Keep note, right click and choose Paste, or simply use the keyboard shortcut to paste with ease. Once all your content is in the new note, take a moment to organize it. You can add titles or labels in Keep for better organization if you have several notes to move. When you're satisfied and have reviewed all the transferred content, make sure to save your note by clicking outside the notes area or hitting the close button on the top corner of the note window. This step ensures everything you've added is stored securely and ready for you to access at any time from any device. So, while it might be a bit different than expected, this method of manually importing your notes into Google Keep is straightforward and ensures that all your information is exactly where you need it. Remember, even though technology hasn't caught up with this feature yet, a little manual effort can go a long way in keeping everything organized. Thank you for joining me today to learn about Google Keep Notes. Happy note keeping.